As I've been visiting a lot of alternative farming operations lately, meaning urban farms in this case, I've now come across a cool alternative to the agrivoltaics farming we know. And if you don't, agrivoltaics is a farming idea that combines solar panels and crop cultivation on the same land. Although it sounds good and sustainable, the upfront costs are currently too much for the majority of farmers to implement it at their operation. A normal solar array already isn't cheap, but if you would like to keep growing crops and farm electricity at the same time, you need the panels to either be completely vertical, be motorized, have enough clearance under them for all the machinery, etc. And all these additional features make an agrivoltaic setup more expensive than a normal solar farm. Matt Farrell from Undecided with Matt Farrell said it's roughly 2 times more expensive. In the past, when a farmer or a company put a solar array on a plot of land, it was almost thought about as gone, as the land could serve no additional purpose anymore. However, when you look at it, there is still a lot of vegetation on a property like that, which obviously needs to be managed. Now you have 2 choices. You either call in a crew with weed whackers who will allegedly spend the majority of the time handling the vegetation that grows directly under the panels, or you can let some animals graze it. It's a fact, at least I think so, that cows outrightly hate the solar panels and try to attack them at every chance they get. And it's also a fact that they don't exactly fit under. But then we have sheep, for example. So what some farmers are now doing is that they secured contracts with the energetics companies to handle the vegetation on their properties and simply use it for pasturing their animals, which is a win-win situation if you ask me. It also keeps the soil in a good condition should something ever grow there again. And what shepherding is also being combined with on these properties is beekeeping. What I like about this the most is that the farmers or the energy providers don't have to make any investments to make this partnership happen, since everything needed is already there. The land already grows grass, and shepherding is as old as my great-grandfather at least. And if you add honey production into the equation, you get a really sustainable and efficient land use, if you ask me. Combining animal raising, generation of electricity, keeping the soil in a good health, and a sweet treat. Now, sheep can also allegedly damage the panels or chew on the cables to be exact, but I believe that this is a way simpler problem to solve than having cows jump on it. And what do you think about this farming model? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.